So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can AirDrop to any device other than a Apple device. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your system. You can use Android laptops, Windows laptops, or anything. Now, in the web browser, you simply need to search for snapdrop.net. Just simply go over there, and here you can see a page will open that will ask you to upload the files. Just simply upload the file that you want to share across the devices. For example, let's say if I upload any file from my desktop, let's say this file. Now once it gets uploaded, it will take some time and it will broadcast that particular file to all the nearby devices. I can either share the link of that particular file as well to someone if they are not in the range, or I can just simply hit share, and in the nearby devices you can find the list of the particular device that you want to share these things. You can do it with any device, not just Apple. So you can cross over with Apple devices as well, or just simply go to any other Android or Windows device as well. All you need is just a browser. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.